how to first turn off your GoPro. So in today's guide video, I will show you how you can first turn off your GoPro if it's not turning off. Welcome back to our channel Journey Guide. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So you can see this GoPro is currently on, and let's say if it's not turning off at all, in that case the very first way you can do is you can see this mode button which is on the right hand side of this GoPro. You have to simply long press and hold on it for at least 7 to 10 seconds. So basically go ahead and then long press and hold on it in order to first turn off your GoPro, and that should simply work. And if it doesn't work, I'll also recommend you other solution, but first let's go ahead and simply try this one. So after that, if you go ahead and simply release your fingers after 7 to 10 seconds, you'll be able to see that our GoPro has successfully turned off in this case. So I'll just go ahead and turn it off again. So right like this, you'll be able to see that this GoPro is going to get turned off. And you can see if it doesn't turn off, then we can also simply try the second solution, which is to remove the battery. And in order to remove the battery, here you'll be able to see at the bottom of the GoPro this long rectangular box. And you can see this little rectangular box right in between this. In order to remove your battery, what we have to do is press and hold on it and simply swipe it towards the open direction. So let me demonstrate to you how that looks like. I will simply press and hold on it, and I will simply swipe right in order to remove the lock. And as you can see, the lock has been removed. And if your GoPro is still on in the background, what you could do is you can see this little pulley, which you can see this one. So what you have to do is simply remove that and pull that pulley in order to remove your battery. So let me just go ahead and show you. And as you can see, our battery has successfully been taken off. Once there is no battery, your GoPro's display is going to be turned off automatically. And these are simply the ways on how you can first turn off your GoPro. We hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.